Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to use the Google Map. The first thing that you want to do is you need to select the Google Map, or you can search in your mobile device as map. So I'm going to search it. I'm going to type map. Then you need to select this device option. Then only you able to select this map. This is the opening view of the Google Map, and here you need to, under the search here option, you need to enter your destination which you want to go. So here I'm going to type Jaffna Public Library. Here you can get the filtration as per your entering, and here you can choose the destination. I have choose Jaffna Public Library. Then you will notify here this indicator, red color indicator shows the destination that you have selected. Then you need to click on the direction. Then you can see there are several options, because you may reach your destination by car or any of the vehicle, or you can reach your destination on a motorbike, and you can reach your destination by bus, and you can reach the destination by walk. So there are a lot of way to reach your destination. So as per your vehicle category, you can select the time. You can see the time to reach that particular destination. So I'm going to show one by one. First, you need to select your location, which means that location you are currently in. So here I'm going to choose my location. So before choosing your location, you need to enable this location icon in your device. Then only you can choose your current location. And here automatically you can choose your location. Then you need to choose your vehicle. I'm going to choose the car. So you can observe, you can reach the particular destination within 19 minutes. The kilometer also shown under within brackets. And here there's an option, you can identify the way step by step. So you need to click on the steps, and you can find the steps with the real map representation or real map road representation. So you need to click on that if you want to look the way. So you can click on that, then you will get the map, which means the picture. So you can identify the place by the shop boards or something. So the way the direction arrow that indicating the way that you want to go. So that is the great thing. And another thing is here also, if you want to go by the motorbike, you can do the same thing. You need to choose your vehicle type, and you need to click on the direction. You can observe the direction. And if you want to start your trip, you need to click start, which means you are going to the particular place through the motorbike.
Jaffna Public Library may be closed by the time you arrive.
Starting your trip, your estimated arrival time also displayed here. The kilometer from your destination, from your current destination to reach destination also appear here. And here you can
You are on the
observe
fastest route despite slower
the
than
blue
usual
color
traffic. You should reach
highlighted
your
road
destination by
shows the way
21:10.
that you need to follow. So this is your starting destination and this is your ending destination. So those are the great things you can use. And another thing is, if you want to share your location to your friends, that time you need to click on this icon, and here there's an option you can share your directions and share your location. I have chosen the share location, and here there is an option you can share your real-time location with a particular time. Here that is the button. You can increase the time duration to share your location, and here this is the place you can minimize your time, which means reduce your time. And here you can share your location through the WhatsApp, Gmail, or any of the forum. You can contact your friends or the colleagues and share your location. So that is the great thing. If you don't know the location of your friend's house, you ask your friend and tell me, please share your location through the WhatsApp or any of the social media. Then you will get the idea and get the direction with the help of Google Map. So that is the best thing. And another thing of Google Map is, if you want to search any particular restaurants, you can search under this. And if you want to search hotels, you can click on the hotels and you can able to search the hotels nearest to your city, which means current city. And if you want to go to the ATM, you can choose the ATM machines also. You can choose the nearest ATM also, and you can find the shopping mall, coffee shop, blah blah things. So you can find the nearest ATM also, and you want to click on the particular ATM which you want to visit, and here you can find the direction by click the direction as I mentioned previous. And here this is the kilometers and the way also indicated with the blue color road. And here this is the option to get the steps or to get the guidance to reach the particular ATM location. So I hope understand the concept how to use the Google Map to reach your location that you want to go. So let me meet in another video. Thank you. Bye.